In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter daily sales in QuickBooks Desktop, whether you run a register, send invoices, or do a little of both. The process starts by deciding how today's sales should be recorded. Cash sales are payments you received immediately. Cash, checks, or cards. Credit sales, sometimes called accounts receivable, are when you issue an invoice and collect the money later. Mixed sales are a combination of the two. Knowing this upfront tells you exactly which form to use in QuickBooks. Open QuickBooks Desktop and sign in to the correct company file so today's activity lands in the right books. If you're recording payments against invoices, use Receive Payments. Go to Customers, then Receive Payments. Choose the customer, select the payment method, and enter the amount received. Apply the payment to the open invoices it belongs to. When everything matches your remittance, save. This updates the customer balance and prepares the funds to be deposited. If you're capturing same-day cash register activity, create a sales receipt. Go to Customers, then enter Sales Receipts. Choose the customer or use a generic cash sale. Pick the payment method, cash, check, or credit card, and choose the deposit to bank account that will receive the funds. In the detail area, list what you sold. QuickBooks totals the sale for you. Review and save when it looks right. If your processor deposits multiple card transactions as a single lump sum, consider directing card receipts to undeposited funds so you can group them to match the bank later. For accurate product and revenue tracking, fill in the item column carefully. Select the correct inventory or non-inventory item, then enter the quantity, rate, and amount. Repeat for each line you sold. If you handle a high volume, a daily summary or batch entry can save time while keeping reports meaningful. Once sales are entered, record the payment or deposit appropriately. Sales receipts post payment immediately to the deposit. To account you chose, invoices are different. You'll receive payments as they come in and then make the bank deposit. Before you close the day, run a few quick reports to verify. Sales by item summary shows your daily totals. Customer balance detail highlights outstanding credit sales. Deposit summary confirms what should hit the bank. Reviewing these now helps catch missing or misentered sales before reconciliation. Finally, compare your daily total